Hey tea cakes, so today we're going on a bike ride. Look, I've got my bike. So yeah, basically the kind of mission is to get my good headphones because at the moment I'm using these ones. I left my good headphones at my mum's boyfriend's house, but I don't think I can be bothered to cycle all the way down there, but I might. But I'm gonna message my sister because she might have some nice ones that I can just borrow. She's currently dog sitting, house sitting. I don't know if the dog's there, for my aunt, so, and that house is closer, so I might just go down there and see if she has any nice ones I can borrow, but either way, I'm just gonna cycle around. I might go into a shop or something, and I'm just gonna do some scenic things. I might go down by the canal, I might not, who knows. I'm gonna get some exercise, which is the important thing. I made a massive big mess in my garden trying to get my bike out of the shed, and I encountered 2 spiders and defeated both of them and got grass stains on my favourite hoodie. But it's fine, it's all fine. This is what the great outdoors is all about. So, a bike adventure time. Yay! Honestly, holding my phone and cycling is the hardest thing I've ever done. That is how bad that was. That was awful. But oh well, I've actually cycled quite a long way. I am almost done by my aunt's house, but my sister hasn't answered my text, so I'm just gonna maybe sit in a field somewhere, just chill for a bit. That's what I'm doing. So I went down to my aunt's. My sister was there, but she didn't have any earphones, so I'm stuck with these ones. But I'm really scared it's gonna rain because it's skies like that. So I stole her coat, which, to be fair, is really adorable. I just look adorable in it. So that's kind of a bonus. I've got a coat now, so if it rains, I won't die. And so yeah, because of the rain, I'm probably just gonna go straight home now. I can't bother to go anywhere else looking for earphones, but you know, I've got some exercise, so that was fun and healthy and stuff. So it wasn't a really successful bike ride, but it was fun. And I've learned that I can't vlog and ride my bike at the same time, which was a discovery. So I'm home now. I've forgot how tiring cycling was, and I'm really tired. I was out for like about an hour. So yeah, I'm gonna make some pasta and watch some Netflix now, and maybe have a nap. So this video was made to promote spring and exercise and how cute my bike is, because that's like a little. It's just my bike's this thing ever. Anyway, so thanks for watching. I suppose I've kind of learned how to film more cycling-ish now. That last clip was pretty decent, wasn't too shaky. So yeah, thanks for watching. Do a thumbs up, do subscribes, do the comments, and all that stuff. So